Hi friends, welcome to my channel Journey with Soul. NLP presupposition. Map is not the territory. Yes, map is not equal to territory. Event 2 is not equal to event 1. Territory is a conscious mind which observes the information through all the five senses. This information is filtered and accessed by our subconscious mind, which is map, and this map forms the internal representations. Based on the internal representation, our state of mind or physiology of the body depends. So, whatever the emotions going in our mind are reflected by our body, which is known as our behavior. For example, when you are calling a family member who is in the next room, you called him 3 or 4 times, but they are not responding, they are quiet. You may be thinking that why that person is not responding. Maybe intentionally he is not responding, he don't want to respond when I call him. You'll be thinking something negatively. You're forming some internal representation in your mind. But you may not know that person is wearing earphones, because of which he is unable to hear your calls. So without seeing what the person is going through, you will form a representation. You'll have your own perception. Right? For example, if you take WhatsApp messages, when you text a person, in WhatsApp we'll be having 2 ticks, right? So when you send a message to a person, you'll find 2 ticks. It means the message is delivered. You'll not get any reply from him or her for so much of time. Then you think that intentionally that person did not see your message. Okay? Yes? For example, if the 2 ticks are in blue color, the message is delivered as well as it's seen by the opposite person, other person. And you feel that the person has seen your message but deliberately did not reply to you. But actually, in reality, we don't know what is happening there. Other part, right? Other side of the person, what is happening, we don't know. He may be going through some situations. Yes? But we already make our perception and make some internal representations in our mind, because of which we misunderstand the situation, the persons. Yes? So the problem you perceived existed solely within your internal representation. Your map, while the territory remained unchanged. This anecdote highlights the importance of questioning our internal representation and recognizing that our maps are not always accurate reflections of our reality. So, by adopting some practices of self-enquiry, we can challenge our assumptions and gain a more objective understanding of the situations. One simple exercise can help to cultivate this mindset. Whenever you perceive a problem, pause and ask yourself, is the problem really, or it is just a part of your map? This simple question can initiate a profound shift in your perspective. So people respond based on their internal representation, not reality itself. This principle of NLP, neuro-linguistic programming presupposition, emphasizes on our actions and reactions are guided by our unique maps shaped by our experience, beliefs and perceptions. There are some practical techniques to differentiate between our maps and territory. The first one is meta mode. This NLP technique involves asking specific questions to uncover the underlying assumptions, distortion and deletions in a client's language and thought patterns. Perceptual position. This exercise involves shifting perspective and viewing a situation from different angles, helping to recognize the limitations of their initial perception. Mindfulness exercise. Practices like meditation and mindful observation can help to cultivate a non-judgmental awareness of their thought and emotions, allowing them to separate themselves from their internal representation. Change the map, you change the world. The map is not the territory. Our perception of the world is not the world itself. So always think from others' perception or others' view. Don't make your own judgment. Okay? Thank you so much.